Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start a new YouTube Shorts channel. Want to create viral YouTube Shorts and grow your own channel? In this video, I'll show you how to start a brand new Shorts channel from scratch. The first step is to create a YouTube channel. And to do that, just click on YouTube. You can also, the first step should be to download YouTube. And to download YouTube, you just go to Play Store or App Store if you have an iPhone or an iOS device, and search for YouTube in the Play Store. And then click on it and install it. As you can see, I already installed it, so I'll find it in the apps right here. So let's access it. Now after you open YouTube, sign in and click on your profile icon right here. Now after you click on your profile picture, create a channel and choose a channel name and a profile picture. The second step is to optimize your channel for shorts, and to do that, just go to settings. You can go to settings right here. See, let's go back, click on the gear icon, and then go to advanced settings. After that, select no, my content is not made for kids if applicable, and add the channel banner and logo and description using YouTube Studio. This is available in the desktop version, so you'll have to do it on your browser. The third step is to upload your first YouTube Shorts, and to do that, just record a vertical video which is 9:16 ratio under 60 seconds, and use editing apps like CapCut or InShot for effects and captions. After that, upload via YouTube's Create Plus button and upload the video. And in the title or description, include hashtag shorts for better visibility. As for the fourth and final step, grow your channel. And you can do that by posting at least 3 to 5 shorts per week, and use trending hashtags and titles and descriptions, and engage viewers by replying to comments. For additional tips, check your YouTube Shorts trends in your YouTube Studio Analytics tabs, and add music from the YouTube audio library for better engagement, and keep videos fast-paced and hook your audience in the first 3 seconds. And that's it. Now you're ready to start your YouTube Shorts journey. Be consistent and experiment with content and match your channel grow. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have furthermore questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.